we from the farmer side, after 1 month of agitation, still very humbly are requesting to withdraw all 3 laws which are not only anti-peasantry, anti-farmers, but anti-common people of India. In the morning, Rajnath Singh has said that he also belongs to the farmer community. He is a son of farmer, thereby farmers should withdraw these acts. We want to make it very clear, the thousands and lakhs of the sons and daughters of the farmers are sitting on these borders. They have their own experiences. From their own experiences, they are telling that these laws are not in favor of farmer community either, or in favor of this agrarian community in India. Just to cite 2 small examples, in Harda of Madhya Pradesh, when farmers are already in struggles, these laws are not implemented properly, we are having our own experience. What is happening there? Small businessman came to this district and asked the farmers to sell their crop. They said they will procure their crops more than MSP. They said that they will be offering 600 rupees more than MSP. Farmers were happy. They gave their crops. This businessman took the crops, transported it to their own place. And this is not the story of only Harda, but other 2 districts also. But after they got a check, when they went to the bank, there was no money in the accounts, and the farmers were in a situation where there was no one to listen to them. They went to the SDM, and as per these laws, SDM is the appellant authority in case of any dispute. But here in Harda, SDM was not able to help these farmers. He was himself helpless. Then they went to district magistrate. What were the words of district magistrate? He said that we will see what happened. But after a given point of time, he said that these incidents are beyond his jurisdiction, because these kind of activities are happening in more than 1 district. So this is a real situation when these laws are not being implemented properly. The farmers are being looted, and there is no one to help them because government has withdrawn its support for the procurement. So this is already happening. Based on these experiences, we are requesting the government to please withdraw these laws, as these are not pro-farmers. If you go by the figures, this is not only the Harda. I hope that our Rajnath Singh will be able to explain the examples. 71 farmers in Tiwariya, 61 in Aurangabad, 20 in Gwalior, 13 in Guna, 8 in Balaghat, 1 in Badwani, and 1 in Jabalpur. It means throughout that region, particularly in Madhya Pradesh, these kinds of loot is being done by the small businessman. And why I'm using this term small businessman? Because the big corporate agri-business has not entered, still not entered in this field. When this big corporate will come, then this number will be much more bigger, and we can just imagine how our poor farmers will be forced to go from one door to another door asking for help, but their hard-earned crop will be looted by these private houses.